Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into a topic that could seriously change your financial game. Starting your own AI-powered freelance agency. I know, agency sounds like a big word, but stick with me, because this is way more achievable than you think, and the income potential is massive. So, what's the big idea? Instead of just being another freelancer trading your time for money, you start thinking like an agency owner. The key difference here is leverage. You're not just one person anymore. You're a system, and the secret sauce to making this system incredibly efficient and profitable? You guessed it, artificial intelligence. Now, here's the most important rule you need to remember. You are not selling AI services. Your clients don't really care about the tools you use. They don't care about prompts or large language models. What do they care about? Results. They want more traffic, more leads, more sales, and a stronger brand presence. You're selling solutions to their problems. And AI is simply the powerful tool in your belt that lets you deliver those solutions faster and better than anyone else. Let's get practical. What kind of services can you actually offer with this model? The list is huge, but let's start with the most in-demand ones. Think about blog writing. Every business needs a blog for SEO and content marketing. You can use AI to research topics, generate outlines, and even draft entire articles in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Then there's social media content. Businesses struggle to stay consistent on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can offer a service where you create a month's worth of engaging social media posts. With AI, you can generate dozens of ideas, captions, and even hashtag suggestions in minutes. Email marketing is another goldmine. Companies need newsletters, promotional emails, and automated sequences. You can use AI to write compelling subject lines and email copy that gets opened and converts readers into customers. Don't forget e-commerce businesses. They need endless product descriptions that are persuasive and optimized for search engines. This is a task that AI absolutely excels at. You can produce hundreds of unique descriptions quickly, a service that is incredibly valuable to any online store and for the creators out there. Or businesses moving into video, script writing is huge. Whether it's for YouTube videos, ads, or promotional content, you can use AI to help brainstorm ideas and write scripts that keep viewers hooked. The beauty of this agency model is how you structure your pricing. You're not charging by the hour or by the word. That's the old way. Instead, you're charging a monthly retainer for a package of services. You're selling the outcome, the consistent delivery of high-quality content that drives their business forward. So, how does the math work out? Let's say you offer a basic content management package. This could include for blog posts and a set of social media posts each month. You could easily charge a client $300 a month for this. That's a very reasonable price for a small business. Now, because you're using AI to do the heavy lifting, creating this content might only take you a few hours. Think about it. If you land just 5 clients at this rate, that's $1,500 every single month. 5 clients. That is a completely realistic goal for your first couple of months. And it's not a one-time payment, it's recurring revenue. This is what makes the agency model so powerful and scalable. Once you have those first 5 clients, what's stopping you from getting 10? That's $3,000 a month. 20 clients, that's $6,000 a month as you grow. You can even start hiring other freelancers to help manage the workload. While you focus on finding new clients and running the business, you become the conductor of the orchestra, not just a single musician. This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy, it's a smart, modern business model that leverages cutting-edge technology to provide real value. You're solving a major pain point for businesses: the need for consistent, high-quality content, and you're doing it in a way that is incredibly efficient for you. If you've been looking for a way to break into the freelance world or scale your existing income, this is it. Stop thinking like a solo freelancer and start thinking like an agency owner. The tools are here, the demand is massive, and the opportunity is right in front of you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this sparked some ideas for you. If you found this valuable, Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building your future. See you in the next one.